Welcome to Night Owl Wood Turning. Today's turning is some driftwood. Found this piece of driftwood a little while ago, a couple years. This way I know it's had lots of time to fully dry out, but it was found off one of the Great Lakes. I've cut it in half. Very, very pulpy on the outside, so I'm not sure what was going to happen. You can just pick pieces off of here. However, aside from that, it feels really solid in the inside core. So first thing I'm going to do is put a tenon on this end. So making a dry vase or twig pot out of this, the first thing I need to do is drill a hole. The next step, I'm going to seal the inside of that with a little bit of shellac. Setting the center a little bit more, fixing some of those fibers. before I start the sanding process. Interesting, all kinds of little voids. Nice, interesting texture. Nice, interesting piece with a lot of history. Sanded up to 220. Start to work some shellac. Probably take several coats of shellacs and oils. Just let this soak in. Give it a good period of time to dry. I'll give it another light sanding. Either wax or finish to help fix it up or set it a little bit more. You can see it's soaking up the shellac. Mind you, it's a very thin mix. Nice wax finish on the end of it. Lots of character. If you made it this far in my video, I imagine you like what you've seen. So go ahead, right over there, click the like button, click the follow button, and I will see you next time with my next project. Maybe we'll tackle this piece. Thank you for watching Night Owl Wood Turning.